In 1967 and 68, this fountain was created by the late Fred Wertlieb, sculptor friend who passed away recently, and myself. In a very simple form, we made fountains for a store in Georgetown, which is part of Washington, D.C. And that's where our original studios were, in Blues Alley. This fountain is an updated version with different looks, leaves. It has this hoop in the back, and behind it I put a background on of these longer leaves, sort of like you would see in a marsh, giving it a little more background. And later I added the butterfly to the top, and sometimes the butterflies down here are drinking water. There have been different versions where I have frogs, little brass frogs on the bottom leaves. But primarily it's all copper, it's made of recycled material, and it's self-contained with a motor, and all you do primarily is just add water and plug it in. And once it gets adjusted to the water level, if it's outside, it'll take more water in the heat, typically during the summer, and in the fall you have to clean the leaves and items out of it, because birds love this. Butterflies will come to your garden with one of these. So I make them in different configurations, different sizes. Some of these I've made are 8 feet tall, 10 feet tall, and some are a little bit smaller. I typically don't make them too much smaller than this. This is around 42 inches tall, and again, it's all solid copper. I paint them, some of them, because to me it gives a different look than you normally can get. Copper takes 20 years to turn green, and although I can put acid on it and turn it, it just gives it a different feeling. A lot of people like this, some like the natural copper. This is one of the projects that I'm going to do on the program, and I'm going to make this from scratch with a drawing and show all the steps of assembling this particular piece. So this is going to be one of the first projects. With the table, I'm going to do an industrial arts table, coffee table, and this is on the art side of that, which is a different portion. What I'm interested in learning from people that look at this is, are they interested in learning to repair through welding, farm implements, different tools, machines, like you would have commonly on a farm? Or are you interested in making furniture and sort of the 60s industrial look? Or are you interested in art? To me, it's all the same. It's all welding. It's all using creativity. We were taught in the discipline of drawing, measuring, making sure that all the materials and the tools were proper for the project you were going to do. Each project's different, and each application is different. So if you would contact me at goodartstuff, all one word, at AOL.com, Mark Allen Young. I'm in Boston, Massachusetts, and I would be very interested to get your feedback on projects that you would like to see. I can pretty much make anything, any genre of metalwork. And my whole concept is to make things that people want to make and enjoy. I'm starting a nonprofit school. The Studio and Art Center, Inc. is the school, and I will be teaching lessons at that. I'm in a temporary building right now and trying to make permanent plans for this building as the school. So that's my plans, and I would love to hear from you. And thank you very much for watching.